So by default, even if your iPhone is locked, you can swipe up on the lock screen and actually see the notification center and see the notifications that you have. Now, if you want to hide the notification center from the lock screen, or basically just disable this notification center from the lock screen, then here's what to do. Now, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these same instructions for previous iPhones running iOS 16 and also iPads. So unlock your phone and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode. And once you enter your passcode, you'll be let into the Face ID and Passcode settings. So scroll down to this list of allow access when locked. And one of the things you'll find there is notification center. And that is why you're able to see the notification center even though the iPhone is locked. So if you disable this, you're basically hiding the notification center from the lock screen. So now on the lock screen, as long as the iPhone is locked, you'll not see the notification center when you swipe up. And that's basically how to disable or hide the notification center from the lock screen of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.